Creating Sentences Practice B106. Get the best characters and action. So we're going to examine or analyse a sentence. We'll start by reading it out. The name of the outstanding campaign is called #LetTheMusicPlay, and they also even achieved hundreds of millions of social media hits, trending at #1 globally on Twitter for 3 hours and trending at #1 in the UK for the whole day. And I know there are some grammatical problems and complexities here, but this is a good sentence for us to examine. And what I want you to do is work out what verbs are in the sentence, what subjects are in the sentence, the people or things doing the verb, and are there any verbs turned into nouns, which is usually a bad sign. But remember, to act as a verb in the sentence, it must actually be done. Pause the video, then try to find the information yourself and write it down. And when you've finished, play the video to continue and we'll go through it together. Remember, you're looking for the verbs, the subjects, and any verbs turned into nouns. So let's look at the verbs. We've got is or called. So I think that is one grammatical confusion. That's a verb to be or to call. We've also got achieve. And then we've got trending. Right. And what subjects are doing this? Well, we've got the campaign, and we've got they, and we've got the name. Let's call it the campaign. So the campaign is being called. They are achieving, and they're also trending. Yeah. Now, are there any verbs turned into nouns? Campaign, achieved, hits, maybe. I don't think so. I don't think in this case we've got any of those issues. I hope you got the same. Now we're going to try to redo the sentence using the best characters and the best actions. So actually the subject of the first one is the name of the outstanding campaign. Get that right. And what's it doing? What is this name of the campaign doing? It's being called, really. And then the they is achieving or trended or trending. They achieved, they were trending. Yeah, and verbs as nouns we've got none. So let's look at this again. Can we identify a key character, or maybe two key characters, but a key character? And what is this key character doing? Is it being or being called, or is it achieving or trending? What is the key thing that it's doing? Can you work out a way of saying that action? So pause the video now, then try to edit the sentence yourself, and when you're finished, play the video to continue. Remember, you're looking for the best, the clearest characters, and the best, the clearest actions. Okay, let's go through it together. Well, hashtag let the music play is the name of the campaign. And so why don't we make that the character? The let the music play campaign. So that can be our character. And what is the character doing? Well, it's getting hundreds of millions of social media hits. It's getting hits, a lot of hits. And if we say something gets a lot of hits, there's a more dynamic way of saying that. It's said to have gone viral. This might be slightly overused, but I think that's the key to our action. It's a much stronger verb than achieving hits. It's gone viral. So if we start to redo our sentence, we can have the let the music play campaign went viral, or has gone viral, and then we can add some extra detail with hundreds of millions of hits on social media, or let's call it social media hits. Let's carry on calling it social media hits. So we've given extra information about the key actor and action. Now our next thing is we've got the they achieved, but a campaign is not a they, it is an it. We've got some extra information about trending. So can we say the campaign trended? So the campaign trended at #1 on Twitter globally for 3 hours. And in the UK for a full day. It says the whole day, it assumes it's the same day, but anyway, a full day. And the campaign we can call it. So what we've done is take a new lead character, not the name of the campaign, not they, but the let the music play campaign. That's our new character. And what has it done? It's not achieved hits or being called, it's gone viral. Could be, if it was in the past, it went viral. Right. The campaign went viral. How did it go viral? With hundreds of millions of social media hits. And then our next bit is the campaign, or it, trended at number on Twitter globally for 3 hours and in the UK for a full day. So we've taken our verbs to be gone viral and trended, rather than being called or achieving or trending. So I think you can see that by trying to isolate the right character, by working out how best to explain the action, this edit makes it much easier to understand. I'm just going to read out the first one and the last one for reference. The name of the outstanding campaign is Let the Music Play, And they also even achieved hundreds of millions of social media hits, trending at #1 globally on Twitter for 3 hours and trending at #1 in the UK for the whole day. We changed that to the Let the Music Play campaign went viral with hundreds of millions of social media hits. It trended at #1 on Twitter globally for 3 hours and in the UK for a full day. Thank you very much.